Okay, we're first going to cut through this Trimax triangular picket. It's 2-inch unilateral triangle. Show you how fast the saw will go through it. Then we're going to put a piece of rebar in there and show you how hard it'll be to get through it because the rebar is going to be spinning. Go ahead. Alright, now we're going to put a piece of rebar in here. See how it slows it down. This is the idea in the Trimax AT anti-terrorist fence to stop the cutting. You can see it took a long time to get through that.